Dr. N. Jagadish, proud to be an alumni and head of the Department of Automobile Engineering Department, establishment in the year 1980 with the visionary of Sri K.V. Shankaragowda sir. Our department is aided under Government of Karnataka since its inception. We are offering both the bachelor's and PhD degree affiliated to VTU Belagavi and accredited by NAC, and our programs are ensure an excellence in education, laboratory and its infrastructure. To meet industry demands, we have dedicated team of well-experienced faculty, modern laboratories with a focus on research in progressive technologies. Laboratories has been well equipped with advanced engines which includes MPFI, VCR, CRDI and KTS 590 engines which are very well suited for our research activities. Our graduates are outfitted with technical ability and are making wave globally with many of them are serving in the worthwhile positions in the government as well as private agencies and sectors. To link theory with the practice, we are organizing industrial visits, competitive exam trainings and also industry experts for enlightening talks. Join us as we contribute to motivate, innovate and shape our future in the automobile engineering, empowering the graduates to become leaders in their excellence in their fields.